Okay, so problem one says a school ordered 3 large boxes of markers. 3 teachers got 15 markers each, so there were 90 markers left. So the 90 represents how many markers we have after the teachers took 15. There are 3 boxes and there are 3 teachers. So this 3 right here represents both the boxes and the amount of teachers. The X represents how many markers were in the box before the teachers took them. And obviously the minus 15 is how many markers each teacher took. So then that equals 90. Okay, so I know that we have to, one, distribute the 3. So I'm going to distribute 3x to x, or I'm sorry, I'm going to distribute 3 to x and negative 15. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 15 is negative 45. Okay, so then I know that that equals 90. Now, in order to figure out what x is, I have to add 45 to both sides to get rid of 45. I have to do the opposite or the inverse operation from whatever I'm doing originally. So originally I'm subtracting, so I have to add 45 to both sides. So 3x equals 135. Right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 135. To get x alone, I have to divide by 3 on both sides. Okay, so x then equals 45. So before the teachers took the markers, there were 45 markers in each box. Okay. So then for problem 2 and 3, it says a family buys 4 tickets to a show. Each family member also spends $2 on a snack. They spend $24 in total. Well, if I were to draw out a diagram, I would see, oh, well, a family buys. Okay, hold on. I'm going to try to make this better. 4 tickets. 1, 2, that's not much. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they spend X dollars on the ticket and $2 on snacks. X dollars on a ticket and $2 on a snack. Same here. And $2 on a snacks. And then X on the ticket and $2 on a snack. So I know if I have 4 boxes or 4 tickets, then, and they also spend $2, obviously it's going to be represented by this expression because there are 4 family members, not 2 family members, and $2 extra spent including the ticket. So X represents the price of the ticket. Okay, and then we move on and we have to find X. Just like we did before, we have to distribute first, do the inverse operation, and then get X by itself. I don't want to do it for you because I think you can do it. This is very similar to the other one. I want you to try it on your own. You'll solve for X. This one, you have to draw your tape diagram that represents this expression. So instead of having 6 family members who spend X amount of dollars and also $11 on something, you have 6 somethings, and then you have another $11 that was spent, or 11 somethings, if that makes sense. Another tape diagram. So this would be kind of what we did at the very beginning, where we have 6 family members who spent this much money. So what would that look like? And then these ones are kind of challenging. If you need help, I did make a video on that. I did make a little mistake on this one, but I can fix it in the email if you need that question answered. This is Spiral Review. You should be able to do this, and then there you go. So you can see that those 2 are correct now. So let me know if you still need help or if you think you can figure it out on your own. Yeah, there you go. Thanks.